Hello and welcome back to Foundry, and today we're going to be messing around with mineral rock. We gotta blow away that dirt there and get underground. So I set up a little explosive charge factory here. We got everything we need right here, all these assemblers making everything I need. The wires, I think that's just called wires, wire coil, electronic components, and that's being fed into here. And we're getting the plates from underground and the explosives right here. We got the ignium coming from, yeah, right there. And here I've got my biomass. So all that's being used to make explosives. Just a quick little explosive factory I wanted to set up, because we're going to need a lot of these things, I think. Now, let's go to research. There's still a couple of things I need. No, there's not. I don't have anything else in Tier 2 research. Okay, so to get Science Pack 3, I need concrete. Concrete, I believe, is also used for... I don't know, it's probably used as a material for other stuff. Yeah, some buildings, maybe. Not much, really. Drone miner? That doesn't use concrete. Circuit board uses polymer board. What's a polymer board? Liquid polymer. That's from waste gas. Oh, that's the product. Okay. Crude olamite. Okay, well, yeah, it doesn't actually look like concrete is used for much of anything, except Science Pack 3. And actually, after we get concrete, getting Science Pack 3s up and going will be quite easy, because pipes we can do no problem. We got the steel. So, concrete. What is concrete? Concrete is made in a casting machine. From water, from gravel, from cement. Gravel is made in a crusher from mineral rocks. Cement is made from xenoferrite ore, rubble, and mineral rocks. Okay, so we need to crush a bunch of mineral rocks to get gravel. And that gravel is going to be used in cement and concrete. Got it. And xenoferrite. I'll probably just tap into this xenoferrite there. Any xenoferrite near mineral ore? Yeah. I mean, we could make concrete up here, but I don't want to take the time to set up another outpost like I did here. This was a pain in the butt. I just want to get it done quick. Okay. That's where we gotta go. Now I gotta dig down a little bit with the drill before I can start using these explosives. Here we go. Oh, is that it? That's it. Big boom incoming. Oh, I hope that's not damaging the ore vein. Kablamo. Well, now I'm stuck down here. Okay, we got room. So we need xenoferrite and mineral rock. Let's do this cement stuff. We got water right here. So let's do it by the water. So we're going to move south and west a bit. South. South is that way. West is that way. Okay. We can bring this out. Oh, thank God it didn't blow up my... foundations there. Okay, let's set up... So what's the height of these miners? If I put this... Okay, it does have a limited height, because if I put it up here... Oh, it's hard to see. Yeah, if I put it up here, it's not gonna reach... Okay, so it does have a limited height. Just curious. Okay, we'll start with 2. Now, we're just gonna see if we can come out right past the... Yeah, right on the green there. A little bit more. Okay, where am I? Okay. Here we can... start going up. Does that bring me out? Not quite. There we go. Yeah, that's how you do deforestation. That's the proper way. Cool. Okay, we're gonna bring all the mineral ore out here and then process it up here. We got plenty of space away from all that mess. And I can't see a thing. I could be dragging it. Yeah, there we go. Keep forgetting about that. Alright, that wasn't too bad. Not nearly as bad as the xenoferrite for the steel over here. I had to dig way deep. Yeah, it's at a height of 71 meters. This one's at 116, so... I mean, the getting down there isn't the problem. It was the whole, you know, transporting it back up in that spiral pattern. But it looks cool. Okay, is that right? Yes. All right then. Let's... Maybe... Maybe I could play around with these power poles. I don't know. This isn't very deep. It wouldn't be hard to get power down there. Well, let's make some transformers, wall-mounted power poles. Sure, maybe I'll do it just to test it out. Okay. We want concrete. Where is concrete? So the first thing we want is gravel. And then cement. Both of these use crushers, and then the last part is the casting machine. Now, doing the math here, looking at the amount of product and the crafting time, to me that makes it more difficult. I think I'm gonna have an easier time if I just put down some crushers and then check the input and output per minute. That's gonna make things a lot easier to calculate for me. So I'm gonna do it that way. So we need gravel for cement and concrete. But all of this is going to be gravel. We're not going to need the mineral ore. What is it exactly? Let me mine some of it. Is it really just called mineral ore? Not enough space, of course. Destroy stone. There we go. Mineral rocks. Huh. But, yeah, I don't think it's going to be used for anything. other than turning it into gravel. Oh, it's also needed for the cement. Right. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to use a splitter. And where are my crushers? Yeah, I know I've mentioned this before, but I think they need to... I don't know, change the style a little bit. Like, when I look at something, I can't tell what the... everything looks so similar. The crusher looks like the smelters. And, yeah, there's not a whole lot there to distinguish them, these, buildings from each other. Oh. That's going to be cement. Now here it's going to show the input and output. That to me is a lot more useful. $10, $10. And then here will be, on this side, the gravel. Input 10, output 30. Okay. Now, the reason I'm doing it this way, you might think, well, you don't need the splitter here. You can just have one belt and have all of these share the same belt. The reason I don't want to do that is because when this starts up, I want an even number to go to each cement and crushed, what is this, gravel? Yeah, gravel. If I didn't do it this way, then one of these, if I like put these first, the cement first and then the gravel after that, these are going to eat up all the cement or all the mineral rock for a long while because it just keeps sucking them up until the input is full here. And in the long run, it wouldn't matter. But when I start it up, I want this to split between both processes pretty evenly. So it's not necessary, but if there's space, then I like to do it this way. Okay, these aren't lined up. That's disturbing. There we go. Okay, now do I have a casting machine? Yeah, I don't think I do. I gotta do some reorganizing here. Because I want these outputs here. I want these outputs to be on this side over here. There we go, that's better. It's like a highway. I like to have the inputs and outputs on the same side, so yeah, I moved them back a bit and moved them out by one tile so we could have the outputs here, and then we're gonna go underneath, and that's gonna go to the cement. Okay. Having the inputs and outputs on the same side is just a personal preference, but it's also good for it kind of future-proofs the design a little bit. It makes it easier to just expand this as far out as I want. If I had the output coming here, then and I have it swerving off to one direction, I'd have to, you know, adjust that, modify that if I wanted to extend it. I need some more blocks here. Where are they? Over here. Oh, let's get some conveyor belts. There we go. Okay. Now we got this new thing. This newfangled contraption. Casting machine. That's going to be 3 products. Now I don't have any pipes. That may be an issue. How big is it? That's big. I like it. Input 8 cement, 16 gravel. Okay, so the gravel to cement ratio, I need half the cement for the amount of gravel. Now, where's the pipe inputs? Okay. I don't know how to work with pipes. I do have a pump. Let's see here. We got pump intake. And a pipe. Throughput 30,000 liters per minute. Okay, do I attach the pump intake directly to the machine? Now, I am carrying a lot of stuff. I gotta get rid of some of this here. Dirt. Destroy it. And I'm going to get rid of the paint roller. Rather, I'm going to store it away. We don't need it. Where's my big box? Oh, there it is. Right in front of my face. Okay. Store the paint roller. That's about it. Biomass I can store here. Okay, I just had to free up some of my inventory. I want to get some of these pipe intakes. And pipes, I got a lot of steel on me, so I can handcraft those. And we'll play around with that. Okay, this thing has a lot of inputs. So that's gonna input 8 and give me double the concrete. 8 cement. These are outputting what, 10? If I do 5 of these, that'll be 40 cement. 40 cement output. 40... Oh, no. 5 of these. That'll be consuming 40. 4 of these will be outputting 40, and it will consume 40 mineral rock. And it'll be consuming 80 gravel. So 3 of these. We can do that. That'll be a good start. Oh, that should be... Oh, I got these backwards. Ah. That's the input. That's the output. I think that's all right. I can't crouch. So I'm hoping the rest of the belts are facing the right direction. So 3, 4... I don't know how much mineral ore that's going to use total, but I don't think it's going to be a whole lot. Okay, I'm going to need some more room because these concrete mixer things are huge. So I want 4 of these. Oh, 5. And we need 2 materials. Yeah, okay. Let's move this over a little bit. Get that input going. We need 1 more casting machine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, that's right. Okay. I hope this all works. Input, input. Theoretically, should work just fine. All right, now the water. That's the only issue. Input unset. Okay, let's see if we can copy, shift, right mouse button, paste. Oh, I didn't set this one. Copy, paste, there we go. Alright, is there a tutorial on fluids? Not that I need one, because I'm a genius. No. Nope. Okay, well, let's play around with fluids. We got pumps. We've got pipes. We've got pipe intake. What does the pipe intake look like? Oh, there we go. Learn more about pipe intake. Okay. Use the pipe intake to draw in water and output it into a connected pipe. The pipe intake needs to be fully submerged. It does not need power. Gotcha. Learn about pumps and liquids. Pipes are needed for the transportation of liquids and gases. They can only hold one unique type. There are 3 types of connections: inputs, red arrow, outputs, green arrow, and bidirectional connections, green cube. Okay. Plumbing tool, how to drain pipes. Of course, the plunger. Pump. Over distance, throughput of pipes decreases as the rate of flow slows down. Counter this by adding pumps. Okay, so we don't need a pump. Pumps can also be used to create a one-way flow direction. I don't think we need a pump. We're right next to the water. But we'll see what happens. Is that fully submerged? That's fully submerged. Okay. Okay, so if I select pipes, okay, the water goes... That's the input. So... do the pipes have a max throughput? Doesn't look like they do. It might be limited by the intake and the pump. Well, maybe just the intake. The intake has a throughput. The pipes and pumps don't. Okay, now let's see if we can connect corner here. I want to connect all of these. Okay, this one needs to be a T section. Okay. Now, we're gonna pump the water. I think that's submerged. Okay, the output is going to be right here, so we're going to have to let's bring the pipe one more and then down. Rotate X. There we go. Rotate Z. It's a little awkward doing it this way, but it does work. Yeah. There we go. Okay, there we go. You can see the water flowing. That's cool. Cool. Okay, now we need to get this powered up. Now, to do this, I want to just play around with these transformers. I don't really need them. I gotta give myself more hotbar space. Let's take off the sign. The door, the basic shape. I don't need that right now. Transformer. Power pole. No grid connection. What are you talking about? How do I connect you to the power pole? Is there a tutorial on this? High voltage and low voltage power. Okay. There's the transformer. Alright, how do I connect them? Even if a high voltage power generating machine requires a foundation, they only output their generated power to a connected HVP grid. Oh, okay, so it doesn't... Right, I need to generate high voltage power before I can convert it. Okay, so forget that. I need the steam turbines. So we're gonna do this. Actually, it shouldn't be that hard. Let me just pause it here for a second while I get this done. I'm just gonna bring a block way down there. Alright, we got power, so we got mineral rocks coming in. So that should be running a-okay. Now, the last thing I do need mineral ore for this. And then we'll be good to go. And I'm just going to borrow some mineral ore from over here. Over here. We're almost there. I'm so excited. Concrete. Ah, God. It's like a jump scare when I just fall off like that. Maybe I should turn off the auto jumping feature. Actually, that's not going to help me falling off, but it will help getting back up. Where is it? Toggle auto climb. Oh, not that. Yeah, that's it. I guess I have to... The key bindings page. Where's the key bindings page? I'll find it later. There it is. Jump, ascend. Toggle auto climb. Oh? I can't... There we go. Auto climb disabled. Good. It's not going to help me falling off, but... Oh, now I can't walk over conveyor belts. Okay, I think that's it. Oh yeah, this is gonna annoy me. It's gonna... Yeah, maybe I can get used to it. I gotta manually jump over conveyor belts. Come on, I want to see you work. So, how much mineral rocks is this going to consume total? 40 here and 30 here. But we're not going to use all of it, all of this, just 80. So about 70. A little less than, yeah, around 70 total. So I could double it up. We can get 160 on this belt. And double it up, get 5 more of these things. I think I'll do that. I'll do that off camera. But why fluid? Why fluid no work? Do I actually need a pump in there? No, that would be silly. Not enough space. Oh my god. It's gotta go on this side. Dang it. Alright, it is nighttime. I've got the pipes coming around to this side. I could have just, you know, rebuilt these, turned them around. So it does, I guess orientation does matter here. Oh, there's got to be a way to switch this input to the other side. If there's not, there should be. But, yeah, I wanted these panels on this side, so we got the pipes coming around back. Let's see if this works. Let's connect it. Boom. Is that doing anything? It's working. Oh, there you go. You got the smoke coming out. Oh, that is a nasty looking smoke. That is toxic. It's beautiful. There we go. There's my concrete. Nice. Yeah, again, like with the other machines, I would like some visual indicators that this is working besides the huge smoke coming out on top. And it's so quiet too. There's no sound at all except when it starts the production process, but while it's crafting, there's no sound at all. I'm sure they'll improve these things over time. It's not really a big deal. But there we go. We got concrete. Now, with that, I can get science, which requires pipe, concrete, and advanced machinery parts. The pipe and advanced machinery parts we've got over by the steel manufacturing. Well, we don't have pipes there, but that'll be easy to get. Where are pipes? It's just steel beams. Alright, so that will be a project for next time, and it should be pretty easy. I'm pretty pleased with how this went. I think I'm going to double up on all of this. I can do, I think I can do double. Yeah, I think we'll have enough mineral ore for that. But we finally got a chance to play with pipes. This looks kind of ugly. I don't know, maybe I'll turn around the casting machines. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.